A video on Deepseek created with the help of ChatGPT. Imagine a world where searching for information feels intuitive, precise, and intelligent. Meet Deepseek AI, a revolutionary technology designed to transform the way we explore data. Deepseek AI combines the power of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing to deliver highly accurate search results. Whether you're looking through vast databases, analyzing complex datasets, or exploring personal archives. Unlike traditional search engines that rely on keywords alone, Deepseek AI understands context, intent, and even human emotion. It bridges the gap between your queries and the answers you seek. Why Deepseek AI? Why choose Deepseek AI? Let's break it down. Deepseek AI's contextual understanding ensures precision even for ambiguous queries. Powered by advanced algorithms, Deepseek AI processes massive datasets in milliseconds. From e-commerce to healthcare and education, its applications are limitless. Deepseek AI empowers businesses to make informed decisions. For example, e-commerce, better product recommendations. Healthcare, improved diagnostics and data retrieval. Education, personalized learning experiences. Developer working on code with Deepseek AI API integration. Developers love Deepseek AI for its easy integration. The platform offers robust APIs and flexible options to suit various systems. Diverse people using Deepseek AI on multiple devices. But it's not just for businesses. Deepseek AI is designed for everyone. Whether you're a researcher, student, or content creator, this tool helps you find what you need effortlessly. Deepseek AI is more than a search engine. It's a leap forward in how we interact with information. Ready to experience the future? Dive into Deepseek AI today.